Yeah, I just repeated what I said, but I don't know why. I feel like I'm a pirated CD. Hi everyone, it's Maureen, and today we're going to be doing a unboxing and review or first impression of the Kroma iPhone XS Max cases part 2. It's been 3 weeks since I came back from the Philippines and I've had so much fun with my family. It's really a very memorable one. If you guys haven't watched our travel, I'm gonna link the videos down in the description box, maybe right in here on this video also, because I haven't showed you guys how to attach the back plate and to disattach it. There's one person that really got my attention. She wants me to do more Kroma iPhone cases. I just want to show appreciation to my subscribers of how happy I am to comment on my videos. Makes me so happy that you guys are trying to connect with me. We're going to be closer and closer, you know what I mean. You guys are very special to me. Please continue commenting on my videos and stay connected. Without further ado, here is the unboxing and first impression of the Kroma iPhone cases part 2. Here's the package that they sent me. I'm gonna unbox it together. You can see it. The first bubble wrap right there. The second one is in here. Oops. Might have fallen. So there's 2. No more. One has 4 back plates and the other one has the frame and 1 back plate. I think we're gonna start with the frame. Now I remember. It's really a good idea and I really love how they do their packaging. This is what we got. There's a bubble plastic wrap right here where they put the items, and on each side they put a styrofoam to make the cases in the frame safe. So now I'm gonna show you the frame that I got. The last time I got the blush one, but this time I got the white. I always forget how to open this. Here, and then you open, and voila! There's the white frame. So let me show you. On the left side, you can see Kroma in there. So to compare both of the white and the blush pink, here's how it looks like. Blush pink is a little bit kind of like orangey, and the white is really super white. So before I start putting the phone on the Kroma iPhone cases, I would like to thank Hirona Impress for giving me the idea. 3 steps that they did before. First is you need to have your frame. Second, your phone attached to the frame, and then the back plate attached at the back. My last Kroma iPhone case, I kind of broke it. We have the same experience, can totally relate to other people that have bought the cases. I think there's a way to find out just by looking at the frame. So if you can see, there's a like little protruding areas on the sides. So make sure that you check that part first. Now we're gonna see the first back plate. Let's see first if iPhone XS Max. Yes, it is. So this is the first back plate. This is random order. It says Kroma iPhone XS Max. And it is this, called the Marshmallow for iPhone XS Max. So if you guys have a different phone, check on their website if they have this kind of case. But I chose this one because I did not have a clear case. We'll open it. we'll peel the plastic off. Peel, peel, peel. Ooh. There it is. As I told you guys, it is a clear case and with a swirling stuff in there. And so this case, it should be facing me. So right here. And then we put the case right in front. You'll hear a click, and then put your phone from the bottom and then on top. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. It's so cute. White frame, the transparent backplate, and the pink swirling thingy in there fits so much on my iPhone. Look at this. It looks so pretty. It looks so simple. Super simple. The color really pops out. I don't know how to pronounce this name. The white and the pink and the gold color looks really good and looks very, I don't know, clean.
And clean.
Clean. That's how I can describe it. Now we're gonna follow how to remove it. Okay, I got it. So removing from the bottom, right there. I got it from the bottom. And then the other side. It's so hard. Oh, there. So I got the phone out. I got my phone, and then take the back plate off. Do not pull from the camera lens cut out. So pull it from here, and there you go. So our next case would be this right here. So this one is kind of really cute and I love it. I think you love it too. It is this. It's cute, isn't it? This case is called Chrysalis by Kroma. They call it as big sweaters for iPhone XS Max. Focus and open. Let's take off the plastic. Oh, I love this because there's pink, and you know guys that I love pink so much. Even though people think that pink is kind of like an EO color, but even if I'm not a kid anymore, I still like the pink. So let us start. Put this one on our frame. Let's start from the bottom, just like the instruction said, and then click. So there's the phone. Oh my god, it's so pretty and colorful. So let me show you closer. There it is. So pretty. Big sweater by Chrysalis in Kroma. This is our second one and I love it so far. The third one would be, I wish I could like open a ton, like 20 cases or backplates in one. That would be so fun. But this one is the clear one with an arrow. So we'll take it off from our plastic and peel this off. Let's attach it on our frame. Attach it like so. And we'll put our phone. Bottom first. And then I just like the transparent so much because it's simple. I already have a bunch of colorful stuff, so we just need something like this. This is perfect because Valentine's is coming. 2 more back plates here, and I'm gonna grab one. And then, oh yeah, I love this one. This is the case right here, so that you guys can see it really well. I need to take it off from the plastic, peel off the sticker or whatever you call it. Then the phone. There it is. It's so cute. So this case is called the Neo Geo for iPhone XS Max. This is in collaboration with Chrysalis and Kroma. Right there. Neo Geo for iPhone XS Max. And again, it is not only for iPhone XS Max but also for other phones. Thunder design right there in the dots. I love it. So that's it. That's the 4th one. Chrysalis by Kroma. Last but not the least is this one. I don't know what song is that. Just came up my head. Okay, what's going on with my voice? Okay, let's open this before I sing my opera song. Okay, here it is, and oh my god, it's so cute! Here we go! This one! Take the plastic off. Check X more for iPhone XS Max. Let me just put this one in our frame and then put our phone inside. And then slide it in. There you go. Oh my god, it's so cute. Cutie pie. This dog might be Jack. There. Just little puppies all around the back. All around the back plate. In collaboration with It's Lopez and Kroma. So it's just that clear back plate with little dogs all around. They look like stickers, but nope. It's super cute. Oh my god. So I just thought about getting this. I don't have a dog, but I wanted to have a dog in the future. But it's just super cute to see, like a transparent case with dogs around. This might be a chow. I think that concludes our unboxing of the Kroma iPhone cases for iPhone XS Max. Though I know I've said this a couple of times on my videos that Kroma is the best case for everyone. And so aside from this being secure for kids, this is also recyclable. Just in case this breaks and you can't really use it anymore, so you can send it to the recycling company and you can help the environment. It is food grade and BPA free, and aside from that, there's an impact protection. So they have a video that they posted. They have a Kroma drop test for iPhone 10, height of 70 centimeters and 3.28 feet. And so they tried to drop it, and then there's 5.24 feet, 160 centimeters, and covers drops from multiple angles. This case is a little bit expensive. It might be the same price or more than the price of the Apple silicone case, but trust me, this is better than this Apple silicone case, because right now I just bought this one in December and look at it. Problem right in the bottom right here. Not long lasting, not as good as the Kroma iPhone cases. So that concludes my video, and I have shown you this 5 back plates. I have shown you my new frame, which I love, the white one. There are people that ask me if this case gets really dirty easily. I don't think so. And if it happens that it's gonna get dirty, it's easy to clean it or brush it. Because it seems like it's really durable. There is one flaw. It's slippery. That's the only thing right there. But the rest, it's awesome. And if you have any more questions about Kroma, you can message me on Instagram, or maybe you can just comment on this video. I hope this video is informative enough for you guys to decide if you want to get the Kroma iPhone cases. They have a ton of cases on their website with different designs, different abstract designs, and different colorful ones. I'm trying to focus on the transparent ones. Or if you guys plan to maybe show off the color of your phone, you can get this kind of cases which shows the real color of your phone, and that's really perfect for the rose gold ones or the gold ones, which is the iPhone XS Max. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys and I missed you. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye!